Welcome to PharmaState News. Here are the top headlines from Pharma World.
Sun Pharma faces the heat as Q4 profit halves, Valia's role reduced. Sudhir Walia, brother-in-law of founder Dilip Sanghvi, will become a non-executive director from whole-time director. Firm Pharma, Dilip Sanghvi surrenders non-banking financial company license. Sanghvi Finance Private Limited (SFPL) is part of the Dilip Sanghvi Group, which runs Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, India's largest drug company. Sanghvi had said in January that he's committed to the pharma business and he does not plan to diversify away from it. Aurobindo Pharma profit gets booster dose from US, Europe. Contributing to the performance were also the 37.9% uptick in the growth markets, ARV, antiretroviral, sales rising 96.2% to 291.5 crore rupees in AP, active pharmaceutical ingredient, sales growing 14.6% to 916.8 crore rupees. Johnson & Johnson faces trial over opioid crisis in Oklahoma. In its court filing, Oklahoma alleged that Johnson & Johnson was the kingpin behind the worst man-made public health crisis in the state's history, growing and importing raw materials which other drug makers used for their own product. British Columbia to be first Canadian province to switch patients to biosimilars. The Canadian province of British Columbia said on Monday that its public drug plan will switch as many as 20,400 patients from 3 branded biologic drugs to cheap near copies called biosimilars, saving an estimated Canadian $96.6 million, $71.9 million over 3 years. Allergan puts Brailer on blockbuster track with new bipolar depression nod. On Tuesday, the FDA greenlighted the company's antipsychotic med Brailer to treat depression in adults with bipolar disorder. Novartis grabs blockbuster cancer nod for Pikraya on Double Good News Day. Novartis breast cancer drug Pikraya has become the first new molecular entity approved under the FDA's real-time oncology review pilot program. US disruption may have cinched Indian pharma, but it is emerging stronger. An analysis of pharmaceutical sales trends in the US by Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities India Private Limited shows Indian companies are gaining share in the world's largest drug market. Indian pharma stocks update. Top gainers are Panacea Biotech up 1.8% and Sun Pharma up 1.5%. On the other hand, JB Chemicals down 2.8% and Indoco Remedies down 1.4% are among the top losers. For details you can visit the news link shown with the news bite. And for quick pharma industry updates download PharmaState app.